What's up, important guys? Today I want to speak about the divine life purpose, how to connect to it. Before starting, I want to mention the fact that I do one-on-one coaching sessions and I have a spiritual podcast called Consciously Awakening. If you want to be part of it, just feel free to send me a message and we will step right into the play. Now, the divine life purpose. I realize that I am part of the universe. I am, in essence, my consciousness is part of the higher cosmos. My consciousness is part of the higher intelligence, and I believe that each moment is actually designed in order for us to really become our true version, to really become our true self, to really channel the energy of higher abundance, to really channel the energy of potential. Okay, so if you want to find your life purpose, if you want to find your divine life mission, you really have to look within yourself first. Okay, look within yourself first and put in play actually big questions like, who am I really? And what is my purpose here? What am I meant to do here? How can I rediscover myself, and how can I rediscover the secrets of the universe? Okay, and I realized that if we want to get to know life purpose, and if we want to get to know the universe, we have to know ourselves, because we are part of the universe. In essence, we are the universe itself. Okay, so if we want to discover our divine life mission, we have to know ourselves. We have to know ourselves, we have to know our gifts, we have to know our potential. We have to really channel the energy of peace, of harmony, of abundance. We have to forgive ourselves, you know. We have to really discover our uniqueness and our potential and our skills and our gifts, you know. When I'm dancing right now, I'm using my love side. When I'm dancing right now, I'm using my gifts. Okay, so if I want to express something into the world, I have to discover myself. I have to love myself. If I want to find my life mission, I have to be in tune with myself. I have to be connected with my inner source. Okay, and I want to speak about vibrational alignment here, and how life purpose is connected as vibrational alignment. You know, human consciousness and the human being should be connected as vibrational alignment, and vibrational alignment is really staying connected to your true self, staying connected to your true authentic self, putting in the big questions and really giving yourself the freedom necessary in order for you to express yourself. You know, giving your freedom necessary in order to accept yourself. This is really beautiful, to accept yourself, to integrate yourself, to embrace yourself, to take yourself on a date sometime. Okay, so the divine life purpose, I believe that the universe is operating in an intelligent way, and that everything is connected in our lives, and everything is happening exactly as it is supposed to happen. And I realized that this belief actually gives me the opportunity to trust. Okay, when I understand my experiences is when I give myself the opportunity to trust. Okay, so if I understand my experiences, I give myself the opportunity to trust. Okay, so I realized that some moments have the power to really, they have the big lessons attached to it. You know, some moments have big lessons attached to it. Some moments have big trauma attached to it. Some experiences have big traumas attached to it. And I realized that yes, these experiences can hurt, but these experiences can also be integrated. These experiences can also be integrated. These experiences can also be made really like a big lesson. And when you integrate these experiences, you get to actually find your purpose, you know. Because sometimes life brings you challenges. Sometimes life brings you hard moments. And when you integrate these hard moments, you know, this is when you can actually do the dance and really find what your life mission is, you know. So it's about finding your uniqueness. It's about channeling the energy of your true higher self. It's about being connected to yourself, questioning life. You know, this is all part of the higher game, of the higher cosmos. Another thing would be realizing that you have a higher self, and this divine higher self is constantly guiding us, constantly pushing you forward, constantly challenging you, you know, constantly revealing to you what your potential is. And really, in essence, this self is your true self. Okay, so embrace it, love it, and if you feel like you can't stay connected to it, understand the fact that you are disconnected. You know, because sometimes we get disconnected. It happens. It happens, the fact that we are not perfect. But when you accept the fact that you're not perfect, you will also go into perfection. Okay, so yeah, this is my perspective on finding your life purpose. It's about questioning, guys. The more that you question is the more that you receive answers. I realized that the universe is intelligent, and the universe doesn't give us what we want, it gives us what we need. It always gives us what we need. It always gives us what we are ready to receive, okay? So understand the fact that you are actually always at the right moment at the right time. This is actually part of life purpose. Trust the fact that you are at the right moment at the right time. Trust your intuition, and trust the fact that it's not always about positive feelings, it's not always about feeling happy and joyous. It's also about learning to dance with low vibrational feelings and with negative feelings, you know. This is alchemy, and I believe that alchemy is needed if we want to follow our soul's purpose. Alchemy is important, emotional alchemy. You know, you get to actually shift your energy while you are accepting yourself. You get to shift your energy by realizing that it's not always about being positive, it's more about being complete and being authentic, okay? Authenticity, this is also important. So yeah, life is operating in the universe is operating in a mathematical way, and there is a pattern in everything. Now, there is a pattern also in our lives and in the way that we think. It's our job to improve and upgrade these patterns in order for us to be more conscious, in order for us to allow ourselves to evolve, you know? So it's about freedom, guys. Soul purpose is about freedom. And yes, it's not always about doing. It's more likely finding the energy of the body and actually allowing that energy to be complete, to be harmonious. It's also about being healthy. Health is wealth. I'm realizing this within myself, and I realize that yes, sometimes I have low vibrational habits, but I get the chance to actually improve these things with self-control, maybe. Okay, so yes, it's not always about doing, it's more likely finding the peace with where you are standing. It's more about trusting life from a space of beingness, and from a space of higher consciousness, you know. So yeah, this is my perspective on how to find your divine life purpose. It's always happening for you. The universe doesn't give you more that you can handle, and you always have the chance to alchemize yourself. You always have the chance to alchemize your experiences. You always have the chance to be your best version. You always have the chance to question and receive answers. So stay connected to your true self and realize that everything in life is happening with a purpose. Everything in life is happening with a purpose. And that purpose is for you to learn lessons. That purpose is for you to evolve. That purpose is for you to step into your true, authentic, higher self. Guys, thanks for watching. Much peace, and like always, see you on what is coming up next. If you want to work with me on a one-on-one level and find your unique life purpose, feel free to send me a message, because I have the ability to look deep within your spirit and to see what you are ready to actually express out there. Namaste, and see you on what is coming up next. I love you. Life purpose, yeah, it's happening for us. We are gods and goddesses. We are kings and queens. We are divine beings of light and love. Warriors of light. Let's go. Let's rule.